Hello and welcome to another episode of Scortified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So it's time for another super episode, and I'm alone in the garage, which is quite nice. Then I can, work on my Supra. I thought that I would do a bit of fabrication today. If you are following me on Instagram, you might have seen a few pictures of some mounts. One mount is for the ethanol content sensor and another mount for the boost solenoid. So I will take some steel and get started. Here we have the original drawing that I made out of the CAD that I did of the sensor, this is from the CAD of the sensor, but I have done some thinking and I have changed the drawing a bit, so it now looks like this. This piece is a bit too high, I would say, but I can cut it out. So I will use this, and here we have the one for the boost solenoid. So I will get to cutting. So the drawing for the boost solenoid mount, I sort of scratched the corners because I couldn't find my scissor, and then I used the automatic center punch with the ethanol sensor bracket. I did it the opposite, so I used the automatic center punch for all points so that it looks like this. So then I can do the follow the dots and then hopefully get to cutting. So here we have the rough cuts, and they are a bit too thick, I would say. I think this is about 2 millimeters. So I think I'm gonna have to find something thinner, but I will still follow through and make these into proper brackets. But that is it for this episode. I need to go and pick up a package, so I need to cut this short. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.